In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat on Google Meet. Whether you're connecting for a work meeting, a virtual get-together, or a classroom discussion, Google Meet offers a simple yet effective way to stay in touch. And one of its most useful features is the ability to chat with other participants during a call. So let's dive in and learn how to use this feature effectively. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to the Google Meet website. It's easy to find. Just search for Google Meet online or type meet.google.com directly into your browser's address bar. This will take you to the main page of Google Meet where you can join or start meetings. Once you're on the Google Meet landing page, you'll see a few options for creating or joining meetings. For the purpose of this tutorial, you'll want to start your own meeting. Look for the option labeled New Meeting. It's usually presented as a prominent button on the screen. Clicking on this will give you several options for how to proceed, but what we want here is to start an instant meeting. So go ahead and select Start an Instant Meeting. This will launch a new meeting room where you will be the host. After your meeting room is open, your next step is to use the chat functionality. To do this, you'll need to locate the chat icon. This is typically found at the bottom right corner of your Google Meet screen. It might look like a speech bubble or a chat symbol. Once you find it, click on it to open the chat sidebar. This is where all the magic happens. With the chat sidebar open, you're now ready to type in your message. There's usually a text box at the bottom of the chat sidebar where you can type what you want to say. This is your space to ask questions, share information, or just say hello to your fellow participants. The chat feature is particularly useful for sharing links or information that you don't want to say out loud during the meeting. Once you've typed your message, the only thing left to do is send it. Look for the send button or icon near your message box. It might look like an arrow or simply say send. Clicking on this will post your message to the chat for all participants in the meeting to see. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to open, use, and engage with the chat feature in Google Meet. This tool is incredibly useful for enhancing communication, allowing for side discussions, and ensuring that all participants can contribute to the conversation, even if they're not speaking out loud. Remember, the chat feature is a powerful way to make your meetings more interactive and engaging, so don't hesitate to use it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of your Google Meet experiences. Whether you're meeting for work, school, or leisure, knowing how to communicate effectively will make your virtual gatherings more productive and enjoyable. See you in the next video.